Wanna go jellyfishing with me? We could catch a big old jellyfish and put it in a jar.
On.
Or maybe we could go get some Krabby Patties. I'll buy.
And
I know. Let's go to the chum bucket and tell Plankton some jokes. He'll love them.
on.
Ooh, or we could go to the Krusty Krab and play Mermaid Man and Barnacle Boy in the storage closet.
On.
Hey, Squidward, you're a pretty mediocre clarinet player. Alright, Joe.